I'm Fran Hall from Superlite Cars, based in Metro Detroit. This is our new car called the Superlite Aero. Designed and built as a gentleman race car, but also a spec race and track day car. We're LS3 powered with a Graziano transaxle with 490 horsepower and 1,900 pounds. We have an ARE dry sump system on this car, giving more power and more reliability. We also have a full stainless steel exhaust system with all the components from Vibrant Manufacturing. What we use is 304 stainless with the oval tube and also the flex connector and the ultra quiet muffler. We want to make sure that we get good reliability and make sure our racetracks aren't upset because we make too much noise. The chassis on this car is all steel, drawn over mandrel seamless tubing. We have 4 piston brakes on the rear and 6 piston brakes on the front, 18-inch wheels all the way around. This car is designed to have 1,000 pounds of downforce at 125 miles an hour. We can package a 6'5" tall driver, so we can get the big guys and the small guys. All of our suspension components are manufactured in-house, made from 6061 T6 aluminum with a military spec hardcoat anodize. Our transaxle is 6-speed, H pattern, with limited slip differential and pressurized oiling. Suspension front and rear is both bell crank push rod with torsion bar sway bars. As you see, it's a full flat bottom car with an aluminum rear diffuser. We have a 50-50 aero balance front to rear. Inside the car we have a Motec dash with a Momo steering wheel. And the car is provided with a bead seat system. So it's designed specifically for each driver for their own car. We have a 25-gallon fuel cell, so we can do endurance racing as well as sprint racing. That's our aluminum crush box on the front, which also acts as our front wing mount. All of our shear plates for suspension mounts are modular, so easy to repair and get the car back to straight and square and back on track as fast as you can. So this is the Aero. As you can see, it's essentially an open wheel car with a closed cockpit and big fenders on the front. The goal of the car is to make as much downforce as we can with as minimal drag as we get. Single seat, closed cockpit. As you see, the shape of the car as the bodywork tucks in front of the wheel. We're trying to make as small a hole in the air as we can and also pull all the air from the side of the body through the engine bay, help to keep the engine cool, increase the downforce and the effectiveness of the rear wing. So we have a carbon fiber Sealig 1223 profile rear wing, 13-inch chord, and our own extrapolated 1223 front splitter and spoiler, giving us some pretty dramatic downforce numbers of around 1,000 pounds at 200 kilometers an hour. The best part is we have a $69,995 price point, and that's a turnkey car.